tagi
Well,
pidat.
good morning, Vemes. Nandra di pula binaka 29 minutes to 8 o'clock.
Right.
Breakfast morning here and VTFM 92.2 FM. Kami ngay kati. In English man, kami ngay kati.
Suitable and souring.
Yeah, kita man return naman ni lorry, taxi, minibus, motorcar,
Right.
okay. To those of you tuning in from home, having breakfast, mommy and daddy and the kids have just left. Pambulat tungan ni bikemo ni ano matake ni kuo. To those tuning in from overseas live stream.
Yes, very good morning to you, especially those from Australia, New
Right.
Zealand, and whichever country you're tuning in from this morning.
Of
Right.
course.
We hope
Right.
that you are enjoying
Right.
whatever is happening in your life
Okay.
when you are away from your home
Right.
and your country.
Good morning to the LT1230, to
Right.
the Black Arrow Taxi, to
Yeah.
Tadinto Dubs.
Right.
The fella is a captain of the Ngiovesi team
Right.
from Nangali. Good morning, Tadingu LT1230, and also to the passengers.
Right, right.
To all the Black Arrow Taxi joining this morning from Dubs.
Right.
Brother, thank you very
That
much.
minibus just passed our office. The Tonia.
Oh,
Tamaysay.
Rotabale Tamaysay.
Right.
Good morning to you, to the LM360. Good morning to you and the family.
Right.
Coming together as one this morning.
Right.
Hey, wanted to say good morning to the Marriott Resort staff in Momi Bay. Makiri na malo isonga TV, mere na kaka malo ba city.
Right.
Ulitonga, mere na kaka salinieta piniona Iliana and Chochimbenga.
Hey, sambulo
Thank you
binaka.
for tuning in
Right.
this morning.
Isale. Ya, mana ni binaka ten week kami Sara na mataka binaka ni kuwa na
Right.
bukan na hindi kita kumain ng washing ngo. To all the students exam today.
Oh, thank you very much for your examinations. Some
Right.
of the year 13 for the Form 7 already finished with their examinations.
Yes.
Okay.
Due to their subject combination.
All right.
Some still continue today and tomorrow.
All right.
But year 12 will finish.
Starting on Monday next
start
week.
their exam next week.
Fulfill.
Monday. And also to all the students in every year and primary.
Right.
They are year 1
Right.
to year 11.
Yes.
Right.
For the examination.
Right.
Thank you very much for the company.
Yes.
For the support from us parents and guardians.
Yeah.
To all the bumbu.
Right.
To thank you very much for being there.
Right.
To be part of the racing up.
Right.
Non ranggara biar na lubenda sosa.
Racing 22. Racing 22.
92 nang gitu. Wais ko nga ni Balu LM69.
Right.
Ratu S. Ndakuanga from Roma.
Iyo.
Kay Temesi.
Right.
Simon Mbanube, Peter Masilada,
Bulbul naka.
Milna Dalibut, and everyone.
And this
Yes.
gang tuning in from Sinai.
How?
It's on 9:33
Yes.
Wednesday night
Oh.
in Sinai at COU Battalion. Jaimbera, thank you so much for tuning in this morning. We'll continue our debate
Okay.
Okay.
this morning about mommy and daddy
Okay.
job at home and also some things that can affect family life.
Oh.
Right.
One thing is snoring during sleeping time. When you sleep
Kenru.
and you snore,
Kertoso.
who snores louder and disturbing at night? No.
Daddy.
Okay, explain.
Okay, why? That's the main question. Why do daddies or fathers
Right.
snore loudly?
Right.
So that you can wake them up.
Okay.
Hey.
Yeah.
Stop snoring.
Right.
But why? Why in the first place do you snore so loudly
Right.
that it
depends,
disturbs
not
the
all
whole
the-
house?
Not all
Snore.
the daddy.
Uh-uh.
Not all the daddy doing snore.
Right.
Okay?
Only some.
Right.
Because due to the
Hypertension and the...
no, due to the feature
Gravity.
of our body.
Right.
Okay.
Like a small body like you, always
snore.
snore like this.
No, no. Some of us we don't snore.
Alright.
Depend on how body is.
Right.
So some they can snore
Right.
louder, some they can snore in a peaceful way.
Right.
Eh?
Right.
Depending on our body situation.
Right.
Right.
Yeah, okay. Does women, they snore
They snore.
louder?
If I remember when I was in school,
Right.
way back in 2016,
Right.
2015,
Right.
I went to Lambasa to my cousins.
Right.
When we was there, one relatives one come doon na
Talaga.
Buningon
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh, yeah, okay.
Dato ka na kinitamba.
Right.
I heard from there, when she's snoring,
Mm-hmm.
I was laughing the way she's snoring because the first time for me to
Right.
to hear that kind of snoring,
Right.
to be up and down, it's like a thermometer.
Right.
Me,
Oi. It's like a what?
yeah, it's like a thermometer.
Right.
Mo bukida sa pagaraway the
Right.
level ha.
Right.
Mo Betabo sa tungay la kaya ngando talaga kan abit.
Right.
Oh.
Uy, wag kami iTunes tal.
Mehal chun tale. From there I was watching.
Right.
Kango ida pangitong gitu
Pakai rap tuh, pakai rap
Iyo.
na.
Mere po bang now. Kango kaya
Kay rep.
bakang na mic show. Era ni Winita.
So you're saying that mommy too they snore louder?
Toba ta jay da timbi wer na maramaran daw kenu.
Okay. How did you know?
Because he
Marama.
was once a marama.
Yeah.
He himself so from Basu.
Andrew Manakabaso, thank you so much for tuning in. Okay, another question for between men and women. Eh?
Yes.
Who has more excuses when they are late?
Oh, man.
Mami.
Man.
Okay, wait, mommy. My
Luma mami.
huh?
Luma
Okay,
mami
mommy,
kasi
mine.
mami.
Yeah, men will always have excuses because they want to save themselves.
Right.
Eh? They excuses comes because they are good at lying.
Right.
They
right.
want to lie and they have to make up those excuses.
Okay.
Oh, mommy, I'm sorry. I will be coming late to work. I mean, home.
Right.
Because I will be overtime,
Right.
working overtime.
Okay.
But no,
Wait,
that's the excuses. They
wait.
want to save themselves
Yeah.
every time.
Right.
Okay, this is late
My-
from
my-
work
yeah.
Yes.
or late from grogging?
No, late from anywhere.
Late from work,
Late from anywhere at home. When you late.
making excuses.
Yeah.
If they delayed,
Yeah.
maybe he going to grog.
Yes.
Okay? He going to grog or whatever.
All right.
When mommy late,
Yeah.
where you coming?
Go to the bulisere.
No, mommy
Uli
doesn't,
sere baby sangkay mo ni tiniko.
mommy doesn't lie. Mommy doesn't make excuses.
All
Because
right.
mommy is very dedicated.
Right.
If mommy comes home late, then maybe she's doing some window shopping.
If window shooting the afternoon. Sasong na sito kare. Tara na mamanggori lay ponta.
Maybe some the shops are still open at the time.
Yes,
Messi.
you don't know.
Maybe mommy.
Supermarket.
Okay,
We go shopping in the
if
supermarket.
mommy late,
Right.
coming in the home, first of all, we will do the dog's job.
What?
Nala ka man naman buhay.
Right.
Did you go to the clubbing?
Okay.
Eh? Or whatever.
How will you boy that?
How do you? because we see like this in the way of why mommy late?
Because the time, eh?
Because of time.
Right.
If mommy late and coming home like 11 p.m.,
Right.
Yes.
we will, as men, we will asking,
Right.
where were you this time?
Maybe she will message you, darling.
Maybe we have a family reunion.
no,
There's a meeting at home.
I'm in a cocktail.
Oh, mami. Kung sarang ko rin, mami, sana sa takin na patakinan to na po sa talo. Kay cocktail, kay Bobby na kami bo grog. Lucky the grog, kay cocktail,
Yes.
you know, everything will be easy. Saya man ang banu kay Bobby naka, Bilkalo, and also to everybody joining this
You
morning.
know, your mindset should be pure.
Right,
It
pure.
should be clear. You
Right.
have to trust
May
mommy.
piwa
If
kang
you
ginawa ni
tru-
reject tag ko may.
If you trust, no, because you will say, come home, hurry up.
Right.
Mommy's still having a
If
discussion,
we have the
important
phone,
discussion.
Right.
if we have the phone, we call, then that's good.
Right.
If we call and the phone is diabetic,
Right.
or the phone is rejected,
Okay?
or the flight mode is there,
Yes.
Right.
how can we accept you with another movement? Rawa ka namin kami mag-suli kami ni Marama when you go want to go. If you late, we blame you. Why you late? First of all, you must be here. The children are here.
Sometimes when we
Emergency comes up,
Right,
family
see-
meeting, there's
yeah.
one song
Every
happening. Every time.
Yeah. Okay. So you're saying that mom, you blame mom on that?
Yeah, mom is late.
Oh, okay. With no excuse.
It's no excuse.
Hey, but dad,
Yeah.
but dad too always comes late every day, every day. If the friend said, come, we go, cover bar.
Yeah.
Yeah, if
Okay, mom,
if
I'm so sorry.
if
There's
dad
an
gives
urgent meeting
Okay.
in the office.
Right.
Something is wrong with the work.
Okay, take the selfie, take the selfie.
take the
Hey,
selfie.
don't take the selfie, don't take the selfie.
Oh
because
no, not
mommy
this
will
phone.
catch
The
me.
camera is not working.
Okay, next question to you two.
Come.
Who is more likely to check their partner's phone?
Dad.
Mom?
Huh?
Dad.
I didn't hear the question. Come.
Who is more likely to check their partner's phone? Mom always check dad's phone, or dad always check mom's phone.
Mommy always checks daddy's phone.
Right? Why?
I
Why?
don't know what's wrong with mommy to check everything from daddy.
Okay.
Because mommy and daddy is equal to one.
Right.
Eh? So if mommy checks your phone, you don't have anything. If you don't have anything to hide, you let her check it.
If mommy
If
equals
daddy
to
is-
daddy is one,
Yeah.
then why mommy did never accept anything from daddy? Don't like mommy and daddy.
Right?
Don't like daddy and mommy.
Right.
Then if daddy wants to go somewhere, and why mommy are you a culp and not a
Culprit.
culprit?
Daddy, you have to let mommy check your phone if
Right.
you have nothing to hide.
Right.
Eh? If you are clear,
Why you married when you not build your marriage with trust?
Right.
Why marry?
Okay. So daddy never
Yeah.
checked mommy's phone.
you know, daddy don't want mommy to check the phone
Yeah.
because daddy is hiding something.
Right.
A lot of secrets there in the phone.
And why you hide something if mommy got a responsibility? You do your job and everything.
Right.
You do.
Yeah.
Then daddy won't able to do anything. Hide it from there.
Okay. Why daddy, who has more? This is the next question.
Yeah.
Right. Related to that question. Eh?
Okay.
Come.
Who has more Facebook account?
Oh,
daddy.
Mommy. Kanggo mga sala ko may bilang. Anda kinda magkenda sa podcast Ben. Minda pa ka mo le.
Guilty as charged.
Ikaw mo bang ako? Yes, I do.
Tarong ko makasala ko may bilang. Hey, binabalebu.
Nawala mo po, Jess. Nawala mo, Binod Patel.
Right.
Pati kay abo kay Tebitan, rombo labi nakat. Nabutab yung katay text.
On Facebook. Say that to me.
Salo to sa bo. Ako sa atin pa may aon sa na outcast Ben, ninda ubag ka mo.
Who has more Facebook account? Mommy or daddy? Oh!
Daddy.
Oh, baby.
baby. Oh!
What yeah?
Baby.
Oh, John Kumar.
Alak,
Pulang
alak.
Malaka.
Malmanaka. I miss Malaka.
Hey, nabalik.
Malmanaka, thank you so much. Udah balik sar-sar cumai.
Right.
Mataka benda di Melina the levu.
Ilingolea.
Good morning. Lako kiring habis juga daddy. John Kumar, thank you so much for tuning in this morning from Mararabili Road in Singapore.
Tay text. Sir katara bengkay ano numito nga kiror tola na butai biyo ko. Aba bote kay Tebita, bote kay Patekay.
Right.
Set.
Ngay like hata ka sa seta ka non talay na matadi kuwa.
Dono binaka.
Untuk bulu bina besera na binaka may nadokai ka selo malangi American sa musteri marama. Na ito kan dan bin karabi.
Mika galumbu.